Hi there, and welcome to my channel and today's amazing session because I'm introducing something truly groundbreaking for anyone who studies biology, medical science, the brain, teaches neuroscience or anything related to the brain or other parts of the body, researches mindfulness, or works in biomedical science. This is the brand new SciSpace BioMed agent, a powerful add-on to the existing SciSpace agent, an AI co-scientist designed specifically for biomedical research workflows. And yes, this AI genuinely understands the biology of the brain. It understands neural pathways, molecular mechanisms, signaling cascades, and even the neuroscience behind, get this, mindfulness. Best of all, it can explain these processes, visualize them, and automate the scientific workflows behind them. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how it works on screen, step by step. So, what makes the BioMed agent different? You may already know SciSpace Agent as an AI assistant that helps with literature reviews, manuscript writing, and research tasks. The BioMed agent is not a replacement. It's an upgrade. It brings biomedical intelligence to the platform with over 150 plus tools and 100 plus specialized biomedical capabilities built in. This means it can automate clinical workflows, variant interpretation, molecular biology tasks, omics analysis, experimental design, therapeutics discovery, brain biology, and neural level mechanisms. Why this matters for brain and mindfulness research. Mindfulness changes the brain structurally and functionally. And the BioMed agent can walk you through these mechanisms like a neuroscience researcher. It can explain how the amygdala calms down during mindfulness, how the prefrontal cortex strengthens, how the hippocampus increases resilience, how the default mode network quiets, the biochemical pathways behind stress reduction. And it transforms those explanations into publication quality biomedical illustrations. So let's see it in action. And here we are on SciSpace and the biomedical agent. Now notice it may look exactly the same as the other agent, but trust me, this AI reads biomedical papers, understands biological pathways, interprets data sets, and can run complete workflows end to end with just a single prompt. So let's start with our prompt. Here we go. Explain how mindfulness meditation reduces amygdala activation and strengthens prefrontal cortex pathways involved in emotional regulation. Here we go. Now notice what's happening here. I love this part because it's so fast and so efficient. You can watch this as it happens, or you can come back. Notice what the agent is doing. It is going through biomedical databases and neuroscience literature for mechanisms of mindfulness meditation on brain circuits, and it's generating a research plan. And this is the final result. We can go through that, but I'm going to continue here. I want the agent, the biomedical agent, to generate a biomedical illustration. There is so much information here, not just for scientists, but for anyone interested in learning more about the breakdown of what happens in the brain during mindfulness. And there is the summary. Now we're going to take a look at the illustrations. And here it comes. Isn't that absolutely amazing? These are brain changes with mindfulness meditation, and you can see the amygdala and what happens to it before practice and after practice to show the reduction in stress. Next, we are going to continue here with our work to have a follow-up task. And this is the follow-up task that we're going to ask for. Design a workflow to study the neural effects of an 8-week mindfulness intervention using imaging, biomarkers, and clinical stress scale. This is the kind of expert level workflow that normally requires a full research team. And notice what's happening here. We're getting the analysis plan and execution checklist, and you can see this live as it happens. And this is very important, especially if you want to make changes. You'll make them by stopping or giving instructions. So you're in full control throughout the process, which is super important. And this is what we get. Notice here, there's lots of information that you may use, but in my case, I'm going to use this. And here you have a sample size power analysis by effect size. You can, of course, download or copy and paste it somewhere else. Let's go on to the next one. This is data integration diagram. This one, study time diagram, MRI. Notice here, screening checklist. I think this is absolutely amazing. And there is more here. You can see neuroimaging, MD also, and form templates. Everything is ready here. I mean, this is a lifesaver, a time saver. We're going to go on with this prompt. We're going to test another built-in amazing feature. We go analyze gene expression changes related to neuroplasticity and stress adaptation. As the agent tells us, I'll use the biomedical agent to create a detailed research protocol for studying neural effects of mindfulness intervention, including imaging, biomarkers, clinical assessments, and gene expression analysis. Again, the agent handles omics level reasoning, something most general AI tools cannot do. This is why the BioMed agent matters. It's not just smart, it's specialized smart. And this is absolutely amazing and so exciting. And here are the results. Notice for the study timeline, there's an image for that. I'm looking for images because that's what works for me. You can also, of course, download these. Next is the comprehensive workflow. And here it comes. Now, this is super important and something that would take weeks, months to organize, and definitely not organize it alone. And here's the task summary that you can view. So all the information is right here. It's visual and very, very clearly stated. So whether you're studying the effect of mindfulness on emotional regulation or analyzing CR, ISPR screens, the BioMed agent becomes your co-scientist. Because the illustration generator that I love so much works with any mechanism, these visuals elevate your teaching, research, and content creation. Isn't that beautiful? And then we can go on to power analysis that I asked for. And here it is. And default mode network and the visualization with keynotes and connectivity. I just love this. And then neuroplasticity pathways that I asked for. On the breathing, neuroplasticity pathway activated by deep breathing. This is unbelievable. Next is the amygdala. Notice prefrontal amygdala regulatory pathways, emotion regulation circuitry. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And of course, you can download all of these and share them. And here is the task summary, ready for you to read, learn, and share. If you'd like to explore SciSpace BioMed Agent and try these neuroscience and mindfulness prompts that I have used yourself, check the link in the description of this video. You can try running your own brain-related workflows, generate custom neuroscience illustrations, explore experimental design prompts, and test mindfulness mechanisms. This AI is truly a game changer. Thank you for watching. If you'd like a full walkthrough on creating neuroscience illustrations or a complete mindfulness and the brain visual toolkit using the BioMed agent, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help.